Many parents are in a dilemma on whether to fund their kids' educational loan or not. Financial planner Mr. Ramalingam will give clarity to you on this issue.
Educational loan, as a parent, you have money and like you want to uh, avoid paying the college fees. You want your son or daughter to pay the educational loan when they get the job. This is what the education loan is all about. Now, if you have money to fund your kids' education, do it. No, like I have got other goals like my retirement and other goals to achieve. I have got one more kid for him, UG itself, I have not funded. For my first kid, I have already funded UG. Only PG, let him take educational loan and do it. Like you can do it. So depends upon your requirement. Like first, because education loan is available, you can use that opportunity. That brings more commitment for the kids. Okay, I have to study, then I have to earn and close the educational loan. That brings more commitment to the students, to your son or daughter. So obviously, if you have got deficit on your retirement corpus, ask your son or daughter to go for educational loan. You can continue your SIP towards your retirement corpus. Or like you have got enough money for retirement corpus as well as for your kids education corpus, you have money, then you can fund it. So depends upon your goals and surplus deficit you have got. This is where creating a financial roadmap or wealth roadmap plays a major role. As of now, I have money, I have spent it on my son's education. Later on, I have deficit in corpus, I am realizing it later. No, right? That is why project your financial life for next 20, 30 years with your financial planner. Based on that, take a decision. Right? That will really help.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.